listen, this is great. I just walked in here and I heard I'm gonna get a gift. So I think it's lovely that Aldo has partnered with IFA this time, and it's always lovely to get a gift from Aldo. I've been using the brand for many years. I think since I've come to India. There's Aldo India. I mean, there's Aldo everywhere, and I'm from Brazil, so I use Aldo in Brazil too. So I'm really happy that the guys decided to do this together.
What do you mostly prefer? Do you use a flat?
I'm quite tall, so I really like to wear flats. I like to wear flats a lot, but if requires, then pair of heels.
So if you can tell us which outfit are you wearing tonight?
This is Manish Malhotra's nephew. He's creating his new line, and his name is Dev. Karan Malhotra. So yeah, I have my great stylist here, and he's got me a dress. So Karan Malhotra, yeah, I've not worked with him before. This is the first time I'm wearing his dress.
So what's coming up from you recently the time of
Yeah, I did a song for the movie Robin Hood Ke Pote. I think releasing this year, and it's a great song. I don't know if it's gonna beat Subahona Nade, but it's a great number. It's a great number, and couple of films this year, which I'm really happy. Maybe 2 releasing in October and another one in January. So good.
So lastly, if you would be given the chance to give a pair of photos of any of your celebrity friends,
Nobody, I'm keeping it. Like what? Why should I give it? Thank you guys, thank you. I'm good. How are you?
All great, all great. Tell us how the experience shopping around.
Sorry?
Tell us how the experience shopping around.
Well, the experience is great. I had a tough decision to choose between the light pink shoe or the white shoe. और मैंने एक्चुअली आप लोगों को पूछा कि कौन सा सबसे पसंद करते हैं, लेकिन थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्ट हुआ क्योंकि ये लोग सफ़ेद बोला और ये लोग पिंक वाले बोला, लेकिन फाइनली मैंने सफ़ेद वाले जूते चूज़ किया. So yeah, I just hope they're gonna get it in my size.
किस तरह की तैयारी चल रही है आईफा के लिए? काफी कुछ चूज करना पड़ेगा आपको.
एक्चुअली मैं आईफा के लिए नहीं जा रही हूँ, मैं स्वीडन के लिए जा रही हूँ. वो मेरा आईफा है. So yeah, I'm actually going back home to Sweden for a vacation with my family, 6 तारीख को. So I'm not going to IFA this year. So yeah.
How difficult or easy is it for you to shop around? इतने सारे options इसमें से best choose करना.
हाँ, मतलब easy कभी नहीं है. I always take so much of like hours whenever I go for shopping. I have to look at every single dress, every single shoe, and like that, you know. So it takes time.
and yeah, I always find it so difficult to like choose. So I always ask, my friends or like other people, like जैसे मैंने आज आप लोगों को पूछा. So yeah, but I mean it's fun. I love shopping.
Any planning to endorse some brands or something?
Sorry?
Planning to endorse some brands or
If
something?
I'm planning to endorse some brand, yeah, I mean, I would love to endorse a lot of brands. So yeah, I'm waiting for them.
आप ब्रांड को चूज करने से पहले क्या
Yeah,
चूज करती हैं?
well, I got some confused right now. No, actually, I don't think really I would choose about that right now. I mean, I have my managers on board and all who helps me to do all these things. And yeah.
फिल्म के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे कि कहाँ तक किसको क्योंकि कब फिल्म रिलीज होगी कब ये बनते कराएंगे
कब रिलीज होगा मुझे पता नहीं है एक्चुअली, बट होपफुली सून. And shooting तो it's over. We only have like one song left to shoot. और dubbing ये सब भी चल रहा है and all. So yeah, but it's nice. Thank you. Thank you.
Very good. I love Aldo. I always shop from Aldo. मुझे बहुत पसंद है और यहाँ के साइजेस अच्छे हैं, मुझे कंफर्टेबल लगते हैं जूते. इनफैक्ट कभी आप पार्टी करने जाओ तो Aldo के शूज़ बेस्ट होते हैं अगर आपको हील्स पहनने. एज अ गर्ल यू नो विच ब्रांड सूट्स यू एंड दे हैव रियली कूल कलेक्शंस क्योंकि Aldo has fun pairs, they have like classy pairs, they have printed pairs, they have everything. So I love Aldo.
How difficult was it to choose around from many options available?
लड़कियों के लिए तो मुश्किल ही होता है. आप दो चीज़ें भी रख दो तो बहुत मुश्किल होता है. ब्लैक और वाइट डिसाइड करने में ही मुश्किल होता है. तो हाँ, it was quite difficult to look and find the perfect pair, but I managed to.
Which outfit are you wearing today?
I'm wearing Demi by Gabriella Dimitriad, and it's a play suit. I feel summery. I like it. My film is due to release Bangchor. As of now, we've announced 22nd October as the release date. So looking forward. It's a Yash Raj film opposite Ritesh Deshmukh. So yeah, as of now that, and currently filming something else, but can't say much.
So planning to endorse any brands or something like that?
I just endorsed a brand called Yepme, and I also shot for Ching's. So I'm planning to endorse many brands. So let's see what happens next.
Do you feel that using a brand, is it safe for sellers nowadays?
Safe as it?
As in the ongoing accidents issues which was on it?
Right.
So according to what's your take on it?
I think you should endorse any brand that you actually like and you actually would use. And काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें होती हैं जो सेलिब्रिटीज़ को पता नहीं होती. अब फूड प्रोडक्ट्स के अंदर क्या है, हम लोग FDI तो है नहीं कि हम लोग देखेंगे एंड वील सी व्हाट इज़ इनसाइड इट. सो आई थिंक सेलिब्रिटीज़ जस्ट endorse brands based on the fact that they like the product. Done? Thank you guys. See you. Tata.
Mohit, hello. First of all, you look very handsome.
Thank you.
So, tell us your connection with Aldo.
Aldo. It's actually a very old connection. Always fond of wearing accessories. So that's one connection I always have with Aldo. So whenever I look for something, so always go to Aldo to look for accessories with t-shirts to match with. So yeah.
Since your movie is just released, so what kind of compliments and reactions are you getting from the fans and family?
They're liking the film. And if you talk about the film, I'm playing a singer in that, and it's something I actually do in the real life as well. So and people are really appreciating the music. So yeah.
So, any Aldo, like maybe jewelry or purse or t-shirt, anything, any Aldo product you would like to give to some of your friends?
Anything. I think accessory I'm always fond of, like I already said, and of course wallet is something I really want to get.
Any upcoming movies or projects you're working on?
I'm working something on my singing, and as far as movies concerned, just in the talks. So yeah.
Working on your single.
Yeah, I sing as well. So yeah.
So, what's your favorite song?
From a film, or like
Any of your all time.
I would say, I will talk about my film Ishq-e-Dariyan. So yeah, my favorite song from a film is Daste, in which I am picturized as well.
So, yeah, do lines.
You want me to sing?
Yes.
Okay. Should pick up the mic or just say? दस दे वे रब्बा सानू दस दे क्यों रो पैंदे नैन जदू हस दे किवे सहांगे टुटे ख्वाबा दा नुकसान किवे सहांगे टुटे ख्वाबा दा नुकसान उंगलां ते रह गए छलियां दे निशान दस दे वे रब्बा सानू दस दे. Thank you. Thank you.
Please just tell us your connection with Aldo.
With Aldo, it's a shoe connection. That's what it is. मुझे जैसे सारी लड़कियों को जूते बहुत पसंद है. मेरी मम्मी कहती है कि ओ माय गॉड, एक दिन मैं एक सेल करने वाली हूँ ताकि ये सारे जूते इस घर से निकल जाएं, क्योंकि मैं I'm an obsessive shoe shopper.
What do you mostly prefer, heels or flats?
Heels. मेरी हाइट ज़्यादा नहीं है, तो I love my heels. The higher my heels, the happier that I am.
Any of the Aldos that you would like to give to any of your celebrity friends, who would it be?
Oh, I think I'd give some really funky Aldos, like which are a little more chunky and with like good, जैसे उनके जो boots हैं ना, that I'd probably present somebody like Sonakshi, because I think she likes that little bad girl image. मैं ज़्यादातर ये जो glittery वाले pumps हैं वो मैं अपने लिए रखूँगी और काजल को ज़्यादा heels पसंद नहीं है, तो मैं उसे slightly lower heel वाले जूते दे दूँगी. I'm here, aren't I? एक्चुअली इस साल मैं आईफा नहीं जा पाऊँगी क्योंकि मैं मम्मी के साथ कुछ अलग प्लान्स हैं मेरे, सो विच अभी मैं सब कुछ आपके सामने नहीं रिवील करने वाली. आई जस्ट लॉन्च माई प्रोडक्शन हाउस, सो इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क. Acting is a lot more fun, so I'm doing a lot of that as well. But I think starting a business, getting into production is not easy at all. So I'm just taking one step at a time, taking it slowly. देखो, फिल्म मेकिंग मेरे खून में है, तो I just want to make movies that people will enjoy and be entertained with, because दैट्स व्हाट मूवीज़ आर अबाउट. हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं, हमें थिएटर में जाके पॉपकॉर्न खा के पिक्चर देखना है, ताली बजाना है, यू नो, गाने देखने हैं, मज़े करने हैं. हमें ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं है. Which was the last movie? Which was the last movie I saw? नहीं, actually मैंने तनु वेद मनु देखा last. That was the last one that I saw, and I loved it. I thought it was fab.
You said films are in your blood. I mean, obviously, you're from the fourth generation, if I'm not wrong. And you just said that you watched Tanu at one. From there, from black and white era till now, music is like coming around somewhere for women-centric films like we now.
Not at all. आप क्या कह रहे हो? Women-centric films have always been around. From a Mother India to a Damini to a, I mean, like, there have been so many films revolving around women. I think it's just cinema takes its phases. और अभी ये phase अच्छा है for women-centric films. I think what's different now is that older women, like who've already had their careers and now they're getting into films, like Sridevi and Madhuri, they're able to now work when they were not able to earlier. Can you tell me something about it? I'm watching the same promos that you're watching. I'm loving the promos. Okay.
Just a quick few things about your style statement as far as you have to sort of tweak it, keeping summers in mind.
Oh, keeping summers in mind, I think wear lots of color. I love color. I wear a lot of, you know, thin fabrics, not very thick fabrics. A lot of cotton, because I love cotton. We live in India. And yeah, just keep it light, keep it summery, and have fun with your style during the summer. I'm here to talk about Aldo, and you're not taking a full. Sorry. No, it's with my mum and me. Yeah. The news has already come out.
एल्डो की इस स्टोर में मैं पहली बार आई हूँ, बट आई एम बिग फैन ऑफ एल्डो. इट्स इन इन्फिनिटी 2, जो मेरा रैंडम, लाइक आई विजिट देयर एवरी टाइम आई विजिट द मॉल. एंड आई थिंक देयर बैग्स आर लवली, स्पेशली दोज क्लच बैग्स एंड ऑफ कोर्स द हील्स. As you can really trust those heels whenever you're traveling or you're attending a function, they'll never break. Because I have experienced that. So with Aldo, you have that peace of mind, which is very important. And then yes, the comfort level, which is very, very important for women in today's day and date, when we are, you know, you go to a place like IFA where you exaggerated like a red carpet, and you know, so you need that peace of mind with the blessed heels like these. So I think that's one reason I'm here. तैयारियां तो बहुत की थी, आप लोग थे. But to be honest, I think there was certain censor conflicts that happened at the last moment, जिसकी वजह से we lost a lot of theatres. But the work of the actors have been really appreciated, and I am getting a lot of very good response from the directors and especially the industry people. So I'm sure, I mean, I am getting a lot of work. I have already signed up other 2 films, so I think I have, and plus all the other actors have been benefited from the project. Rest, it's the fate of the film. I think beyond the point, we've met, we've spoken, we've promoted the film. Beyond that point, there's nothing that an actor can do. So
आप
yeah.
तो कोई भी ब्रांड की एडवर्टाइज के पहले आप अपने को कितना सेफ रखते हैं, क्योंकि अभी मैगी को लेकर काफ़ी ज़्यादा चर्चा में चल रहा है, तो आप क्या कहेंगे इसमें?
मैं समझी नहीं आपका क्वेश्चन.
आप किसी भी ब्रांड के एडवर्टाइज को लेकर अपने को कितना सेफ रखती हैं?
किस तरह से सेफ आप?
endorsing any brand,
Okay.
how conscious are you to R&D towards brands and all that will be done?
No, why would I be conscious? Of course, you have to be confident about the brand. I think that's very important. You need to be confident about the brand yourself, and you should be using it before endorsing it. So I wouldn't endorse something that I don't personally like it, because then I guess I'm faking it. So I would never do that. Else it's... I did not wear that necklace. I am not a very accessory person. Basically, I like to be very simple. I am sure you must have seen in my interviews. So I'm not a very accessory person, but I guess today I'm going to try, because I'm here and I must try something, and of course in IFA, so I'm going to maybe add few things from here and make my outfits look even better, the ones I'm using for red carpet in IFA. Thank you. Thanks.
Great for Aldo because IFA is everything. And it's my first time being at IFA and my first time performing at IFA. So I'm toda nervous, but really excited. I am performing.
Okay, you also preparing the red carpet look. If you can
Yeah, I mean, since it's my first IFA, and every single day there's so many different events and so many different dresses, I've just been swamped in dresses over the last 2 days. So I'm excited to show off my looks, and hopefully you guys like them all.
be always like.
Oh, well, thank you very
Then
much.
any which specifically song you're gonna perform on?
Song, Finding Fanny, Shake Your Bootia, because I have a butt. And, wait, what are you doing? Okay. And the next one's going to be a surprise for you.
Basically, what do you prefer? Like heels or flats? What do you?
Heels or flats, heels or flats, heels or flats. You know, when I wake up in the morning, if I put on heels, I know it's going to be a very glam day. I'm going to strut around. I'm going to have lots of attitude. If I put on flats, I will probably dance everywhere. That kind of happens regardless, but I like them both. I'm a Gemini. My birthday's in a week. Actually, it's the last day of IFA. We'll bring in my birthday. So Gemini, I have two different sides. So actually, heels and flats, that's my two different personalities.
So since the movie is released and it's getting very good response, so what's the compliment and wishes you're getting from friends and family?
Did you guys see Welcome to Karachi yet?
Yes.
Did you like it? Did you laugh? You haven't seen. What are you doing? How many times I've told you about the film, how good? I think it's super fun. For me, it was my first time out of the dance space, which was something I've always wanted to do. And it's getting pretty good response and everyone's really liking it. So I'm ready for the next one.
So, Lauren, if you would get a chance to give a pair of polo shoes or any accessory to your celebrity friend, who would it be? Any of your celebrity friends would like to give any of the polo
To gift, I'd say Ileana de Cruz, because I adore her. And probably Ellie as well. Ellie Avram and I are close friends. So maybe I'll pick up a pair for her today. She just came. All right. What'd she buy? Did she buy me something? She got something? Thanks. Awesome. Thanks, guys. Wish me luck. Thanks.
I think every girl has a connection with Aldo, and you know, we all have bought shoes or maybe bags or maybe tiny little earrings from Aldo, and I think it's an amazing place to shop, and I just love this brand.
What do you mostly prefer, heels or flats?
I think heels to save me any time. If I have to buy heels for the next day, I just quickly rush to Aldo, and I always get a pair of my size and my comfort and the color I desire. So it's really quick and it's really nice.
You'll be visiting IFA this year?
Yes.
So how is the preparations going on for the red carpet?
I think For the red carpet, I've still not decided what I'm going to be wearing, but I think I'm going to be doing the trials today. So hopefully something I'll figure out really soon.
So, any nominations for your movies?
Yes, my movie Yariyan, which I directed, it's nominated in the Best Music category, and I really hope that it wins the IFA.
And then again, you're gearing up with Sanam.
Yeah.
So, any updates when the trailer will come?
See, right now I'm still shooting Sanam Re. I've shot half of it, and half of it is still to go. So directly from IFA, I'm going to Ladakh for my next sketch, and I think by August I'll be able to complete the film, and after that I'll be doing the post production, and I think then we'll plan up.
So, how's it working with three young actors?
I think it's very nice when you're working with a young star cast, because as a director, you can tap onto their potential, and there's a lot of unexplored potential in them, and when you know that they have so much inside which you can bring out, then it's definitely very exciting, and that's what I'm trying to do in Sanam Re.
So, any Aldo pairs would like to give to your celebrity friends who will
Aldo pairs, like out of my collection or out of like.
out of these collections for yours?
I think I really need to look around to select the right pair, but I think not just one pair. There's so many beautiful pairs around, and which I'm sure I can pick up for myself as well as give to many other friends of mine.
Lastly, what do you think about all this association with IFA?
I think it's a great association because both have established themselves as a good brand. Aldo is all over, I stay in Lokhandwala, and I don't even need to come so far to visit an Aldo store. It's right next to my house, and IFA has also really established itself over the years gone by, and we all look forward to IFA Awards, and I think it's a great association for them to be together. Thank you.
For your red carpet.
Thank you.